Remember from our comedy writing tips, we want to take that funny in the story and delay it to the last moment possible. Here we have a great example of that from President Obama in a recent speech. Watch him use the rule of three, craft it in a way to try and mislead the audience, and to be sure that he has the key funny word as the last word for maximum impact, flip of expectations, and to allow people to keep laughing. You may or not may think it's hilarious, but the crowd obviously does. Have a look at this in action. Now, you might be thinking, well, I don't know if I can use humor because of my job and my responsibility. If the president is using humor, you'll probably be okay too. I hope you like the example.
We live and do business in the information age. But the last major reorganization of the government happened in the age of black and white TV. There are 12 different agencies that deal with exports. There are at least 5 different agencies that deal with housing policy. Then there's my favorite example. The Interior Department is in charge of salmon while they're in freshwater, but the Commerce Department handles them when they're in saltwater. I hear it gets even more complicated once they're smoked.